What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying problem in here of having your iPhone stuck on this green screen in here that looks like this. Now please note that this can be caused due to various causes. It can be a software glitch, it can be a hardware glitch. In my case, it's not even a problem, it's just a screenshot that I'm using to represent how the problem looks like. But since here on the channel we keep uploading a lot of tech tutorials and hacks in this channel, that's why I'm gonna show you how to fix this exact problem right here. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Now jumping straight into today's tutorial in here, just the way I've said, this can be a software or a hardware problem. So it's important for you to inspect if it's a complete green with the same tonality or if it keeps on oscillating in a specific area. If you see green with something purple and then something yellow, for example, or something that represents a cracked screen, that's probably a much complicated situation here that you may be facing. You may be facing a cracked or a broken display. So another thing you want to double check is try pressing here with your finger on your screen hard, okay, to see if it keeps on reacting or acting strange. If it keeps on dancing or moving, shaking or anything like that, that's probably because you do have a cracked screen. Try locking and unlocking as well to see if something changes, okay? It may be the connector, it may be the display, it may be the digitizer, one of those things on your phone which are related to your screen in here. Now if it's a software issue, this will be sorted out real quick. Now the very first step in here to fix this issue is to perform a forced restart. Essentially, a forced restart is just rebooting your phone as if it's coming from a deep sleep, which will actually make your iPhone refresh and reprocess everything from scratch. To perform a forced restart, all you need to do if you have an iPhone 8 or later models, for example, mine is a 16, so if you have an iPhone from 8 onwards, you rapidly need to tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button. Keep on pressing it until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Okay, I'm still pressing my power button. This is approximately a 6 to 8 second process. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button and let your phone turn on normally. So what it does is it cuts all the power supply being supplied to your motherboard and it restarts as if it's coming from a deep sleep. Do not worry, this doesn't lose any data from your iPhone device and you'll be good to go in no time. There we go, let's wait for a couple more seconds. Now, if you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, to perform a forced restart, all you want to do is press and hold the volume down along with the power button. Press and hold it simultaneously until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you're going to release the buttons combination and let your phone turn on normally. Now, if you have an iPhone 6 or an iPhone 5 with a physical home button in here, in order to perform a forced restart, all you want to do is press and hold the physical home button along with the power button. Press and hold both of the buttons continuously until you see the Apple logo on your screen. Once you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're going to release both of the buttons combination and let your phone turn on normally. Now please note that in much older iPhone devices, the power button is usually located here at the top. So in order to perform a forced restart, you'll have to press and hold the home button along with the power button at the top. Just to let you guys know in case you have a much older iPhone device. Next up, we're going to unlock our phone. And let's see if the problem got sorted out. If it's still not working and you still have a bit of visibility now, hop into settings real quick. You want to scroll down all the way to display and brightness. Next up, you want to tap here on liquid glass and make sure that it's set to clear and not tinted, okay? Keep it on clear and see if this sorts the problem that you've got. Now, if this is a recurrent issue and it's not sorted out, I would recommend you to check for updates. You want to hop into settings and see if you can update your software in here. Simply tap on general and then tap on software updates. See if you do have a pending software that needs to be updated because this may be related to your software. One thing is important to check once you are performing the forced restart, check the color of the Apple logo, right? For example, up and down, I'm pressing and holding the power button. Let me just wait for a couple seconds. There we go, a few more seconds. My iPhone is now rebooting. So once you see the Apple Apple logo, you want to check if it's white. It should be 100% white. If it doesn't show any problem in here, the problem is likely not a display problem, which is something good. But if the screen in here shows, for example, a yellowish or a greenish white color in here, which is not 100% white, then chances are that the problem is lying within your display, and this is much complicated. You need to take it to a repair shop or something like that to get it sorted out. Now, if it's not showing that tonality, if everything is okay, it's just showing you a crystal clear white color, then it's not a big problem. It's just a software problem. You can update your software. And if you are in a much complicated, really complicated situation where you don't even have access to your phone in here because it's 100% green and you're not able to use it, but you're able to see a white clear Apple logo, you'll have to connect your cable into your iPhone and connect it into your laptop or MacBook. Now you're gonna connect it and go into DFU mode, which is the mode that allows us to update our software when we do have a problem. How does this work? You need to first connect the USB cable into your iPhone device, and then you just need to perform a forced restart. If it's an iPhone 8 or later models, up, down, press and hold while the cable is in fact connected into your iPhone device and to your Mac. It's important to be connected, okay? That's very important. So simply wait a couple seconds in here, keep on pressing and holding the power button, and in no time you'll be brought in here to this DFU mode. Keep on holding, and once you see this, release the power button, and this will essentially allow you to see also the tonality of a bigger part of your screen. You do have all the tonality here, which is good. Here it's good, here it's good. So if it's good like this, this is a good signal, means that your screen is working fine. It's just a software problem. Please note that my phone is now connected to my computer, and this only works if you do have a computer. It doesn't work if you are not connected to a computer. Now, next up on your computer, you'll see a pop-up which says update. Okay, if it's a MacBook, you do not need iTunes, but if it's a laptop, you need to download iTunes and then open up iTunes, connect it in here, and then perform the forced restart. Keep on pressing until you see the DFU mode to update it from your laptop device. Now, if you are running an iPhone with a physical home button, you do not need to actually press and hold the power with the physical home button. You just need to turn it off and then simply press and hold the home button in here while connecting the USB cable. Let's say that the phone is off, right? Simply press and hold the home button and then insert the USB cable. Your phone will turn on automatically and it will get into this menu right here from where you can update your software in case you're unable to navigate it from the device itself all the way to the settings. So this is how you can actually get rid of the annoying green screen in here that keeps on creating a lot of trouble on your iPhone device. I hope you find this video really helpful, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech-related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech-related issues. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.